What to look for when buying a digital photo frame. Now Natalie was in a mall looking for a Christmas present for her sister. As she passed by the electronics store, she glanced at the digital photo frames on display. She would have loved to buy one of them, but she didn't know which size would be best or if there are any good deals available. Now it seemed to be an impossible task to find what she wanted with so many choices available. That's when Natalie remembered that her brother-in-law had recently brought their parents a frame and he might have some information about it. Now, how much does this ring a bell to you as well? Now, here are the top features in this video which I'll show you, which you need to check before buying a digital photo frame. Now, as always, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and then smashing that like button before you actually dwell into this video. Now, without much ado, let's jump into this. This is Sonit from Techie Trickle. Now the top features which you should check before buying a digital photo frames are as it comes right now on your screen. Now the first one is the screen size. Now usually the size of a digital photo frame ranges from around 3 by 5 to around 10 by 12 inches. The best digital frames are the larger ones that have frame sizes of around 7 inches by 8 inches. Now like televisions and computer monitors, LCD photo frames are also measured diagonally. Now the next feature that is very important is the resolution. Now display resolution determines the number of pixels horizontally by vertically that the frame can actually display. Now it is recommended that you should always buy a digital photo frame with a pixel resolution of at least 800 by 600 or 800 by 480 pixels, and if it has more than these pixels, you are good to go. So it's very important to note that the image should be also of very high resolution so that the chances of pixelation is also very minimal. Now Aura Mason actually fits this bill, and it has photo frames of around 9 inches and carries a high resolution of 1600 by 1200 pixels. Now in case you want to go ahead and check the Aura Mason photo frame, the link is given in the description down below. The next important feature that you should be looking for is the aspect ratio. Now aspect ratio determines the relationship between the height and the width of the image. Now most of these digital frames are around 4:3 or 3:2 aspect ratio. Now most common aspect ratios that are used in the digital frame is the standard one, that is 4:3. Now it fits most of the photo print sizes, and the typical size photos will find the entire digital photo frame. Now once the aspect ratio is taken into consideration, we come to the next one, which is the built-in Wi-Fi and the app support. Now if you wish to gift a photo frame to an elderly person, a frame that supports Wi-Fi would be great feature, because now you can send these photos and video clips directly to your family's living rooms privately wherever they are via the Nixplay iOS or the Android mobile app, the desktop web app, emails, Google Photos. Then you can have the Facebook and also Instagram. Now Nixplay's digital photo frames can exactly make this happen. Not only does it have a smart sensor that wakes the frame when you are in the room, and then it sleeps the frame when you are not there. So if you want to check out Nixplay's digital photo, the link is given in the description down below. Now, after we have taken these Wi-Fi and the app support, the next very important feature comes is the memory cards. Now, one of the main advantages of frames with built-in storages is that you do not need to depend much on those Wi-Fis. Now, frames with 16 GB memory can store up to 40K photos, and you can choose a frame that supports the SD card and the USB drive connectivity that will actually enable you to read the files and export the received photos and videos for better album management. Now, Dragon Touch digital photo frame is actually having these kind of features that I was right now talking about. So you can again go and check the link that is given in the description down below. Now you have the Wi-Fi, you have the app support, you have also taken into consideration the memory card, and then the next very important feature is the email or the app-based sharing. Now, there are two ways to share the pictures remotely to a digital photo frame, that is by email or through app. The most frames that support this feature comes with a unique email address for your frame, and email photos to the frame's address and they appear instantly. Isn't that really easy? Now, Skylight seems to have this feature and fits this bill comfortably. And of course, if you are not on social media, Skylight can be a life-changing new way to actually connect with your family. Again, the link is given in the description down below. Now, all these links that are there in my description are the affiliate links. So if you choose to buy through my affiliate links, I'll just get a small kickback. Now, let me know in the comments below if you did actually buy any of these photo frames and you have actually gifted to your near and dear ones. So till the next time, bye bye.